Karl Anthony Towns take in, papalitan si Nez Reid. Hot na hot yan kanina si Nez Reid. Ayan si Anthony Edwards, last basket. Ayan si Jamal Murray dribbling the ball. Anthony Edwards already 37 points. Ayan si Jamal Murray dribbling the ball. Pass to Nikola 3 points. No. Ayan si Anthony Edwards. Binigay kay Towns to Rudy Gobert. Counted. Napaka-importanting shot yon mga ka-Andis mo to. Ayan si Nikola Jokic. Pumapasok, ibinigay kay Gordon to Porter 3 points. Wala. Offensive foul according to official. Mukhang nasipa eh. Tingnan natin. Bad trip yan si, yan o, pak! O, klarong-klaro. Naka-extend yung paa niya. Bad trip si MPJ dyan. Yan. 16-7 run in last 4 minutes and 32. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Anthony Edwards dribbling the ball. Pumapasok. Oops! Guarded by Caldwell Pope. Ayan. Tingnan nyo nga. Pak! Fade away! Bagang! Napakaganda ng fade away ni Anthony Edwards. Oh, hype na si Anthony Edwards. Ayan, lamang na po ang tingnan nyo guys. Fade away ni Anthony Edwards. Bagang! 11 points ang kalamangan ng Timberwolves. Papaisip na ang Denver Nuggets sa kanilang gagawin. Ito naman dumidepensa ang inahatopag nila. Ayan, nagmi-meeting na sila guys kung ano ang gagawin. Ayan o, panoorin natin ang fade away ni Anthony Edwards. Baby Jordan talaga. Ayan o, Anthony Edwards. Okay, Caldwell Pope binigay kay Jamal Murray to Gordon. Uy, moving 3 points. Oops. Pumasok si Jokic. Pasok yan. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Jokic ngayon. Uy, si Idol yun. Uy, na-steal ni Murray ngayon. Binigay kay, na-steal. Out of bounds yan mga ka-Andis mo to. Ayan. Nilabas ni Pope. Binigay kay Murray. Binigay kay Gordon. Screen without the ball. 3 points by Joker. Baga! Napakagaling ni Joker. Ayan, 6 points na lang ang kalamangan ng Minnesota. 32 points na lang. 32 points si Nikola Jokic. Ayan, seconds to play na lang. Anthony Edwards. Hawak kang bola. Ayan, dribble the ball. Uy, foul. 49.9 seconds remaining time sa fourth quarter. Ayan. Ito yung moving without the ball. 3 points ni Joker. Napakatindi ni Joker. Ayan. Anthony Edwards dribbling the ball. Papaisip kung ano gagawin. Huy, guarded by Aaron Gordon. Alam ni Anthony Edwards na kuha na siya eh. Penalty ng team nila. Uyun! Foul. Yan yung sabi ko. Papaisip. Yan o. Uy. Ganda ng crossover. Boom! Pero nakabangga, foul. Ayan. Si Anthony Edwards. Free throw line. First basket. Pagang. Pukul na pukul. 38.6 remaining in the last quarter. Anthony Edwards again. Tumira na second. Pasok. 104-96. 38.6 ang kalamangan. Ayan, lumalabas si binigay kay Joker binigay kay Porter, tumira ng 3 points, bagang! Uy, 5 points na lang, 33.9 seconds. Tingnan nyo guys ang gagawin ni Ant-Man dito. Pagka-receive niya guys, yan, diretso yan siya. Ang bilis talaga ni Ant-Man, walang makakaya sa kanya. Unstoppable Ant-Man. Ayan, 27. Tumira si Aaron Gordon, wala. Seconds to play, 21, 20. Ayan. Si Mike Conley dribbling the ball. Wala nang gana, hindi na mahabol. 7 points ang kalamangan ng Minnesota. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa uli, panalo ang Minnesota Timberwolves. Ayan, panalo ang Minnesota Timberwolves. First win in second round of playoffs since May 2004 ng Timberwolves. Anthony Edwards, 43 points, 7 rebounds, 2 blocks. Karl Anthony Towns, 20 points. And Naz Reid, 14 points in fourth quarter. Congratulations, Timberwolves!